I think there's two sets of skills that are tremendously important, at least on the public law side here in the law school, and they're skills that I try and cultivate through all of the classes that I teach. The first skill is working with complex materials. It's a feature of many areas of the law that in answering a single legal question, one has to account for perhaps a constitutional provision, statutory provisions that might be incompletely synthesized by Congress, and then a body of regulations or a body of case law that has emerged over time. And thinking about how all of these disparate sources of authority weave together under circumstances in which they often don't have some nice tight fit is the core of the lawyer's task. So the first task is simply dealing with complexity. The second thing I think prospective lawyers at the University of Chicago learn to do is to, and this is going to sound like a cliche, but it's true, is to think like a lawyer. There are a set of moves and arguments and deployments of verbal and intellectual resources that are essential to being able to be an effective counselor, be an effective advocate for your client, whoever your client is, whether it's in the courtroom or in the boardroom or in the context of making a deal. And my class, I think like many of my colleagues' classes, is a way for students, or is a forum for students to sharpen their ability to use that toolkit that I think really is distinctive and different from the toolkit that one uses in the humanities, one uses in the business school or in other professional fields. Really an opportunity to nail down that toolkit.